Hello and welcome to Math in a Minute. Today what we're going to do is very quickly show you how to use Google Sheets to find some statistical measures. So I've already prepared, I opened a Google Sheet and put in a very small data set. And then I've also created a column where I'm going to actually put the statistical numbers. So it's good practice to go and label what you're going to calculate first. And so you can see I'm typing in mean, median, mode, standard deviation. And then if I want to find the mean, I actually just go to a blank cell under stats. So you can see I've chosen column C and row 2 because that's under stats and next to mean. And then you type an equal sign. And then you just start typing the function that you want. Now, as it turns out, Google Sheets doesn't actually have mean. You have to use average, so AVE. To find average, you can see it says average, numerical average value in a data set, ignoring text. So you click on that, and then you have two choices. You can use your mouse to come over here and highlight all the text, and then push enter. You can see I got like a 4.89. Or, I'm just going to delete that, do it again and show you the other way. You can do equals, choose average again. And this time I can actually type in where the data set is. So the data set starts in cell A2. So I could actually literally type in A2. And then you put a colon, because that tells it go until. And my last number in the data set is in A10. Didn't like that because the way I typed it. So I need to put A10 and then enter. Same thing for median. I'm going to choose equal and then type in median. This time I'll just go and collect all the data with my mouse. Same thing for mode, equals MODE. Choose mode. This time I'll type it in. It's A2 colon A10. And notice it doesn't care if it's capital or not. And then finally, I'll do standard deviation. And we actually want the standard deviation of the population. Standard deviation there are a couple different kinds of standard deviation, sample and population, and this happens to default to sample. So I'm going to choose standard deviation P. And I will type in A2 colon A10, and notice it actually highlighted the data set. All right, but if I want the range, I could type in range. In my cell here, I'm going to say equal, and I go find the largest number, and then I need to subtract the smallest number, and that happens to give me 8. So let's say I want to order this data set. So I can just go back and choose data, sort range, and then I want actually Z to A, which is analogous to largest to smallest. And there we go. Now my range it's easier to do the range this way. And that's actually it. So it's quite easy to use Google Sheets to find all of our numbers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.